today we are playing Cat Goes Fishing.
We did some off camera.
A lot off camera.
No, a little actually. We caught a Sybil fin,
We purchased a new rod.
and we did maybe about like 3 or 2 quests.
So now for today it says catch 2 roundfin. Yeet! Ah, this rod.
Oh, it's so good.
God, these pesky fish, man. Why? What is the meaning of this? Whoa. What is that fish?
Oh, that purple one?
Yes, that.
No spoilers.
Okay. Fine. I'll find this name in the catalog.
If it even came up. I don't know if it was too far to even be shown.
The Leo fish. There. I know his name.
Um,
But it's 30 million miles away. So
that
I
was-
catch this grumper.
that was not the Leo fish.
Now what was that? Oh wait. No, that wasn't the Leo fish. And who was that? It's not even here in the catalog. Okay. I'm gonna catch a large fish. It's too late.
Oh my god, you need that. There's a very good upgrade that prevents smaller fish from eating your bigger bait.
Good, because these pesky fish keeps taking stuff. And I don't like it.
Hold on, let's see if you have that.
Wait.
That was a horrible cast.
No.
Sneak it out.
I hate them cuttlefish.
This is already getting stressful.
This game. This is worse than an elephant.
What?
Forget what I said. Worse than an elephant.
What elephant sits on you? No, it's not worse. If you had a bigger bait, that would have been perfect.
These pesky fish.
Oh yes, get. Why did you reel? The monster fish was down there. You could have sunk down.
I don't want to. We're sacrificing this grumper. See, the point is, these fish keep eating me down.
You might need a bomb though.
Oh, you mean this? Bomb. It scares away fish. Alright, so you pesky.
You just blew up the big one.
Oh, no, that's a sign. Okay, get this cowfish and stop thinking about this.
You just blew up.
Oh my god, no. Out my ticket. I'm getting, I think, 3,400. Whoa, what is that? Is that a boat? 35,000, Jesus! Okay, catch 2 rounds. No matter if I do, I'll do my quest.
Alright.
Where all the roundfin come?
Yo, it's already extinct.
Why does the roundfin population has to go down? Kingfish, you're coming up here because I want you. You're actually worth a lot. Not as much as the cowfish. That one is expensive. Yeet! And I blew away the seraph. That's just great.
Just great.
Hey, but I got another kingfish. That's a good thing.
Oh yeah.
Should I
Even
get
though
another
they're not
cowfish?
I don't know, the other one's deeper. You don't really have much of a diving lure.
I need another cow.
Alright, get more diving lure maybe.
Alright.
Do you even see another one?
Oh,
Oh.
God.
Oh,
So, diving lure.
yeah. You might want to get some. The upgrades get more expensive each time you get a more expensive and better rod.
Alright. Let's dive.
No!
These swoopers keep taking my babies. And now I have to start over with this stuff. Mustard fish, you should have ate that.
No.
Yeah, keep the fish still for me. What the? Bruh, cowfish.
You can't move the thing a little. You're actually slowly losing money as you use stuff.
Fine, I will accept what I have. Plus, this cuttlefish. Things are about to get smacked after I'm done with you. Oh, pesky fish. I said fish. Fish.
We're nowhere near.
I hate all of these fish. I don't want to kill them. This is the end. I will catch every.
Oh, there's a queen fish there.
The arrow and the catfin, the sturgeon, the brimble, the Georgian, the coin, the tick, the centurion jobbie. Don't worry. Soon, one day, all you will be catched. Actually, I don't know where the Saint do that. So this will take a long drive. But for now, it's time to get something that will take literally years. It'll probably happen in 2 episodes. We're gonna get the first boat.
We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have
A
to.
slow-moving boat that can travel far from shore.
We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to get as much expensive fish as possible.
But the
Instead of you blowing up the Seraph.
I'm sorry.
There's still a lot of them. There's like 2 more left.
2,000 more seraphs. But them super.
We need that queen fish. That's what we need.
Okay.
The queen fish is that medium one. Yeah, right there, that orange.
Yeah, but the kingfish keep guarding him.
Ugh,
Is it a him? I don't even know. It's not even. It's a
the
thing.
queen.
All right. So that means it's set to.
No! The
Okay.
queen fish is not gonna bite a kingfish. So you're
What?
gonna have to use a different bait.
Is this why he's going stupid?
Yeah.
Because we all hail the king. Okay. Stop being stupid. I just want to rise it. Why does it look like he's gonna bite a?
Wait,
freaking
but the other little kingfish will. No, that.
Yeet. Don't worry. I'll wait until you're done. So the queen fish. How much is it worth? Queenie fish.
You passed it.
I did. Oh, this. 2,500. That's the same as a cowfish. So if I lose that fish, that means I lost an entire cowfish.
Yep, I guess so.
Cowfish has money. It's not bad. I think.
We
the
need that Georgian. That Georgian is
Georgian.
money.
The Georgian! Dang, I have a kingfish. The queenfish won't eat it.
No.
Well, I'm gonna get the mustard fish then. And after that, I'll get the Georgian.
If the Georgian would randomly come up like it normally does.
I hate Georgian. Because they don't like coming up here. But the cowfish, yes. We need the cow. Moo. Shall we butt?
Oh,
Queen
perfect.
fish. Alright.
Do not let it get eaten.
Oh God. Chill. Queenfish, yeah, chillax.
No.
Don't come towards.
Lord of George. Oh, no, you can't.
I'm not lowering it, okay? I need this queenfish. It's worth 1 cowfish. Yes.
Hey. Oh, yeah, and the little ones all group up.
10,000.
Oh, we getting somewhere.
We're actually making money. We're actually making loot. Woo woo.
Here, let me just get these ones for you here.
Kingfish.
No!
You
Alright,
just
we might as
use-
well use it for something.
What
Alright,
the-
go ahead.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. No, get the mustard fish.
Ooh. Yo, go check your upgrades. I want to see if there's that.
Anything new? Okay.
Oh, allow me to spoil some upgrades at least.
No, don't spoil anything.
Alright.
Never spoil. No spoil. Don't even spoil. Like there's nothing such as spoil. Never spoil. This is just spoil.
Wait, no. Hard time it, yep.
Yeet. I need that cowfish, but it's deciding to hide down there.
Oh, yes, perfect.
Get it. Yeah! Yes! You small pesky fish can't take this cowfish, can you? Yeah!
Imagine if they all just start munching on it
Then,
bit by bit.
I don't know.
That would be so sad.
Now I got entire cowfish with me.
Even though each time it gets bit, it only gets rid of half of.
Let me
The
kick
money.
this kingfish just for money. And sell. There we go, 13,000. Another kingfish that's just waiting to get caught. Yeet.
Okay, maybe
And
you should
sell
use
you.
the last one as bait. The last one. Bait.
Okay. Bait. Oh, frick. No,
Nice
don't
bumper.
hide. You eventually come up, right? Anyways. These devils of fish.
Oh.
It's back though. Oh, frick. It's probably running. Oh no, what is it? The kingfish. Yeah. The queen, your amazing, ugly queen is gone.
And that's what happens when you don't look. At least let's explore.
Wait,
the
did I just see something green? It was a green fish.
Oh, yeah, those guys. Expense.
There's no goodies around here. Oh my god, stop doing that. I'm on a quest to catch 2 round fish.
Oh, yeah, actually let the Grumper take you down to explore some places.
Heck no.
Yeah. Do it.
Explore. I'm not here to explore, you know. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm stupid. Sorry, guys. Well, the Grumper's still here, though, I think. Yeah, that's the Grumper. Yeet. No, that freaking grump of the grumpers of the grumps of the grumps of the amazing grumps of the grumps of the grumps of the grumpers of the grumps.
Okay. That can calm down.
I need air.
Oh no. These Grumpers are ruining lives. Oh yes, that was perfect. Catch that pink one you haven't caught. That's okay. Keep calm.
Pesky fish.
Ah.
God. Why can't I just get it?
Oh, there's a hat. Get that. Here, let me get this hat. The cat got farther.
Oh my god, this is gay.
Yeah, let. Hold on. Here, let me show
It's
you.
driving me
Look.
mad.
Let go at the very top.
The grumper. The grumps of the grumps of the grumps of the grumps of the grumpers of the grump is the grumpiest and the grumpers of the grump of the grumps. He's so grumpy, he's a grumper. And he's a big
Calm down now.
The grumpers and the grumpers. He's a cousin of the monster fish.
Actually, that is incorrect. You haven't really met the Grumper's cousins yet, but
What? I didn't know the grumper has cousins. That was just a joke.
nope. In this game, he actually does.
Is his name the Glooper or something? the Grumpus?
No need for guessing. You'll find out eventually.
Is he even in the catalog? Did we already catch him?
No.
What? The Tetra Tabby Bullfish. Oh wait, no, they're over here.
That all happened when we did that ginormous catch.
Jesus! It was
And the
all
rocket
way.
went flinging
What?
for some reason. Oh my god.
I need to get rid of that freaking grumper. But there's no small fish that I can use as bait. This is stress. Freaking utterly stressful. I don't know how I'm gonna catch, well, big, fat, large fish. This game is hard. These fish keep on taking bait. I mean, y'all chill.
I don't know if we have to risk them rockets and go flying, but you doing it?
No, we need a bomb. So we got bomb all these pesky fish.
No, that was so horrible.
Nah, that was a horrible pass. Wait, pass.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we need to bomb that fish. He's evil. We can't waste the rocket. Because if we use the rocket,
no little fish.
fine, use the rocket. But
Wait.
don't go too hyper.
Let's not risk it. You know how the rockets be like. Did it?
Please don't. Please
No.
don't. Yes, fall, drop. Ah! Oh, come on, why?
I hate when it does this. I don't know what's going on with the rocket.
Check code. What the? Okay. Whoa. What did we just catch? Oh wait, those are the tetras.
We just met some new and strange fish.
Bro, we're already seeing stuff. Bro, what is this fish?
Let's let it get bitten for a while.
The brother of the swooper.
Oh, something bit.
Bruh, I know those fish. Those are the angler fish, right?
Wait,
I
Something-
remember those. I've seen those before.
what swallowed?
I don't know.
I think I know which fish swallowed it, but I don't understand.
Bro, where did the purple fish go? Oh my god. There's some blue fish. There's a big, huge one. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a shark or something. The anglerfish is back. Wait.
Oh, what is that? What is that green? I know what that green fish is, but I don't want to. What are you doing all the way here? I just made the weirdest side effect happen. I don't know. What did I just do?
Alright, can you let me play?
I corrupted this entire game. Alright, here.
Bro, what is that gray, white?
Yo, we just corrupted this entire game.
Where?
Oh yeah,
what?
get Grumper.
No, cowfish. Think twice before eating. Yes. No, no! Oh, Duke!
Oh yeah, there's that new gray fish. No.
Should I get that? Maybe it's worth money. Let me see in the catalog. Oh, the snowfish, that was the one we... 50? That's
Yeah,
the
but
trashiest money.
These only fish have a hard time making friends.
Alright, a bullfish. 1,600, god dang! We need that. We don't need no glumper.
Wait, try to catch something big first.
Dude, the bullfish is more than a cowfish.
No.
Yes. A
Nope.
cowfish. It's 2,000. The bullfishes are in the thousands. But I want that red fish. What's that called? What is that called? A turgeon. 7,200.
That's the
Dang.
money we need.
But how about the Georgian? 11,000 frick.
Alright.
That's so much money. These fish are... Whoa. What were those green fish? That was the fish I'm talking about. What are those green ones?
Oh, look at guys.
Yes. No. Cowfish. Come on. Why can't you frickin' make friends with my bait? Now that's a bad cast. But I will set this. No! The line went too red. Oh. You pesky fish. Get the round fin. That's part of my freaking quest. My these fish keep taking my freaking bait.
You have a bomb.
Why did I even think of this? Yeah. No! You freaking...
Don't forget, we're also saving up to a boat as well. You blew up the round fish.
But there's 20 more of those. A super!
This is getting sad, bro.
Oh my god, fishing is rigged. Nothing will cheer me up in this game.
Actually, there is something. There is this upgrade.
Just tell me. Just tell me.
It's called Bait Guard, and trust me, it's really handy.
What does it do?
You know when the small fish eat your big bait all the time?
Yeah.
It's annoying, right?
Yeah.
Well, guess what prevents that?
Bait guard.
Exactly.
Well, I guess you already knew the answer to our question. Do I have bait guard? Is that a rod attachment?
Yeah, go and see if you have it. Even though I think it'll inform you that you have it.
No, I don't think it. No.
Ah, dang. They're expensive. But
How am I gonna get bait guard? You know, I don't want to ask. We need that detergent. 7,200. Freaking roaming around in the sea. No, Grumper! You're making life miserable.
Oh.
You know what? Just for catching my line, I will sell you.
Wait, actually, let him sink down, actually.
No.
There's a lot to explore still.
I already saw enough. You remember the last episode when I saw all those sea tubes?
But you didn't see enough.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Anyways. Good fresh. Thank you.
Yo, I don't know if we'll be getting the boat today.
I need all the money I can get.
So you're gonna sell everything in sight? Roundfin, get it!
Why are you so far?
Ah.
We just want loot. And to finish this freaking quest. You know, you can get those supers. They're worth money. The big swoops. Bruh, but the round fin are all the way over there. It's big about
I have to make this legendary cast.
Ooh.
Please. Get. Oh, perfect.
I don't know why they're called the round fin, because they spin in a circle. A round circle. That's why they're
Should I
called.
sell it?
Yes, sell it. Please. Thank you.
Only one. I thought we had one.
Catch a round fin. Get it! The cowfish is guarding. Like if the round fins are just... the cowfish are protecting the round fins. This is unacceptable! Conditions! You know where I got that from.
Yep.
Adventure Time. I watched too much of that.
Alright, get that. Oh my god.
What? What are you trying to get? You need medium bait to catch that cowfish. Or you still...
Roundfins are cowards.
I know, right? Full cast speed. Whoa, what is that green fish? It keeps running away.
Expensive.
Well, I don't know what they're called. Is that the Grumper's cousin?
No.
Is his name the Grouper? The Grimps?
No.
The
That's some
green?
good guess there.
Whoa, that was a yellow fish.
Oh.
Get the round fish.
Ah!
Oh! I like how the fish duke out the other fish. If we crossing it,
Yes.
like,
Give us our 1,500.
yeah, we need a new quest, please.
2 rockets.
No, I don't want to waste money. But you did anyways. Throw it. Get another run. Complete this quest. And then we're gonna end this freaking video here. Because I'm losing my temper.
Aren't we gonna get? Oh my god, the kingfish ran away. Honestly, you can just click
Get another
R.
rocket.
Oh my god, that was immediate.
Well, that was money we wasted over some rockets. Bait guard, get it? I don't care if it's worth 6,000. We can't have these fish eating my bait.
Alright, now you try out Bait Guard.
Nah, maybe next episode of Cat Goes Fishing.
Alright guys, if
I'm
you enjoyed
literally
the episode,
losing my temper after all these
hit
fish.
this like button, subscribe,
Please.
and we'll see you next time.
Do it.